What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. My name is Milo and I do travel and lifestyle vlogs. Today I'm gonna show you 3 different spots in Miami that not a lot of people know about. This includes both tourists and some of the locals as well. Before we even go anywhere, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, activate the bell so you guys get notified when all my videos come out. And remember that if you enjoy the video, if you enjoy the vlog, leave a thumbs up because that helps out a lot. Not only the channel, but this video so a lot more people see it here on YouTube. Our first stop of the day is the Knaus Berry Farm, and this spot started back in the 1950s when brothers Ray and Russell Knaus began to raise strawberries. They actually started selling them locally here right by the road and eventually just grew. Now they just sell a bunch of different products and they are to die for. Okay guys, so another popular thing to do here besides coming in to have a milkshake or one of their famous cinnamon rolls is to do some pick of tomatoes and strawberries, and that's what we're about to do. I decided to go with the strawberries because I love them. It's honestly one of my favorite fruits. Let's do this. By the way, when you come here, if you want to do the pick of strawberries, is $3.50 the pound. And they did tell me that this container full is about $12.50, which it's a little bit expensive, but what counts here is obviously the experience. It's totally worth mentioning that the Knaus Berry Farm has been owned and operated by the Knaus family since 1956. It's also important to remember to bring cash when you're visiting the farm, as they do not take any credit or debit cards. And finally, please keep in mind that the farm is open between November and mid-April of every year. This is during the Redlands farming season of Miami-Dade County here in Florida. Check this out. So beautiful, so perfect, so delicious. Alright guys, we just finished picking up our strawberries. We actually picked up about 1.5 pounds, and that came out to $5.25. If you guys want to pick up tomatoes, then I believe the pound is about $1.80. The most expensive are the strawberries, but I've also heard that the most delicious thing you can pick here are the strawberries. Again, that's the main reason why the two brothers became so popular here in Miami. And I'm not kidding, check out the line. It's pretty big if you take into account that today is Wednesday. It's 11 a.m. and to be honest, back in the good old days, the line would just go around the building. All right, so time to try out the strawberries we just picked. Wow, están muy ricas. They are incredibly sweet. I love them. Super sweet.
Is this a line?
Yes, it's a line.
Why is it that bad? These guys picked up there.
No wonder why they're so popular. Alright guys, so just so you know, we bought 2 milkshakes. These are the large, and a hot fudge sundae, and it came out to $18. We also purchased half a dozen of the cinnamon rolls and that came out to $6.80, which is not bad. Guys, welcome to our second stop of the day. Welcome to Downtown Doral. This is in the heart of the city of Doral here in Miami. It's fairly close to the airport, which is the reason why I can't really fly the drone here for obvious reasons. But this is an amazing spot to come during the evenings, during the nights, especially during the weekends, just because this is when Downtown Doral comes to life. It's just incredible, the ambience here with the music, the live music, the lights, all the people, and obviously the amazing spots to eat, to dine around. It's just an awesome place. This place pretty much turned into this pedestrian avenue after the pandemic, with all the COVID restrictions for the restaurants as far as the capacity percentages and stuff like that. The city of Doral just decided to close off the street over there and all the way in the back, and have this street pretty much open to the public to walk around, to dine in, just to enjoy Downtown Doral. Another thing that it's incredible about this place is how colorful it is. It kind of reminds me of Wynwood in a way, without the crazy traffic and the crazy amount of people. I actually learned about this place not too long ago, and if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that it was pretty much about a month or so ago. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, now is the time to head over, follow me so you can keep up with all my daily adventures. It was thanks to one of my friends who invited me here. This is how I got to know about the Downtown Doral. And it's crazy because I've been living in Miami for the past 18 years. And again, I just found out about this place. So that's just to show you guys how unknown this place is, not only to tourists, but even to some of the locals like myself. Guys, welcome to Matheson Hammock Park and Marina. This is just south of Coral Gables, and it was created back in 1930. It is about 630 acres, so it's huge, it's beautiful. Check out the views right to downtown Miami, and they also have this, I guess, man-made beach where you can just come, hang out, relax. It's a little bit more private. It's not as crazy as South Beach or Key Biscayne, but it offers an incredible view of the city. This is also a great spot for families, friends, couples, just to come in and again just relax, hang out, have a little picnic, have a lovely afternoon by the ocean. There's also a restaurant here. Never been there, not sure how expensive and how good the food is, but it looks pretty full, so I'm guessing it should be all right. Check it out. To be honest, it looks a bit fancy, but it makes sense. I mean, think about where we are. We're right in between South Miami, Coral Gables, the Pinecrest area, which is a high-end area, and it looks delicious, to be honest. It looks pretty good. You know what? Let's check out the park from the sky. Okay, now just so you guys know, parking here is not free. It's actually $5 and you have to download an app so you can pay for it. I think the app is called Pay by Phone. With taxes, it comes out to like $5.27, but that is for the whole day. So if you want to have a little bit more of a calm beach day, you can definitely come here with your friends, family. You can bring your bikes because they do have some bike trails or roads for you to, you know, just bike around the park and experience the park in a different way. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Again, if you enjoyed the vlog, hit the thumbs up, and remember, you haven't seen my best or my worst video yet, so subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you guys get notified when new videos come out. And with that, from Matheson Hammock Park in Miami, I'll see you guys in the next video.